Hello and welcome everyone. Today's question is K palindrome. So we have given a string and a K value. We have to check whether this is a palindrome or not after removal of at most K characters. So what is a palindrome? Palindrome means string starting from beginning is similar to string from end. सो हमारे पास इसमें आई रहेगा और एक जे रहेगा। हम चेक करेंगे क्या करेक्टर इक्वल है या नहीं है। तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन हमारा डायनेमिक प्रोग्रामिंग का है और डेफिनेटली इजी प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ये। सो इफ वी लुक एट द कंस्ट्रेंट वी हैव टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी एज n क्रॉस n एंड स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इज n क्रॉस n। सो looking at this, the first thing that comes to our mind is dynamic programming. सो पहले हम अपने आई पॉइंटर और जे पॉइंटर को सेट करा देते हैं। अब चेक करेंगे क्या करेक्टर इक्वल है या नहीं इक्वल है। यहाँ पे करेक्टर इक्वल है तो हमको रिमूवल की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो अब हमारी सब स्ट्रिंग ये बन चुकी है। सो अभी भी हमारे करेक्टर्स इक्वल हैं तो हमारी सब स्ट्रिंग अब ये बन जाएगी। अब हमारे करेक्टर्स डेफिनेटली नहीं है इक्वल। सो वी हैव टू ऑप्शंस वेदर वी कैन इंक्रीमेंट आवर आई और वी कैन डिक्रीमेंट आवर जे and we have to remove one character. Increment our I means we are deleting ith character or decrement our j means we are deleting our jth character. So if we increment our I then we have d character remains, and if we decrement our j then we have only one character remains. So if one character remain or string has only one character or empty string then we can definitely say it is a palindrome. So this will return 0 and 0 because we have to delete 0 characters. So here we have to delete one character and we will take minimum from these two sub problems. So minimum is 0 and we have to delete one character here. So this will return 1 and this will return 1 and this will return 1. So अब हमको चेक करना है कि ये जो रिक्वायर्ड रिमूवल के स्टेप्स हैं क्या वो k से छोटे हैं, क्योंकि at most we have to remove k characters. So if required is less than or equal to k then we can definitely say we can make this string as k palindrome. So let's take another example. So here I and j jth character is equal, then we have substring like this. Now I and j character is not equal, so we have two options whether we can increment our I. So let's increment our I, or we have another option we can decrement our j and we have to take +1 after solving the sub problem. So this time here also I and j character is not equal, so let's increment our I and let's decrement our j. Here I and j character is not same, so this yes, so I and j character is not same, so we can increment our I. Wait a minute. I and okay CFTI okay, and we can decrement our j. So j is here and we can decrement our j BCFD. So now if we look I and j, we are solving a sub problem again and again. So we can use dynamic programming to solve this question more efficiently. So if we have solved I and j indexes before, then we don't need to solve that problem again. We can just utilize our DP array. So let's look at the code. So first we will call our solve function and we are passing I and j indexes. So if our string is empty means let's take this example I here and j is here, character is equal, then we have to increment our I and we have to decrement our j. If I surpasses our j or if I is equal to j means our substring has only one character. So first base case is if I is greater than equal to j, then we just need to return 0. Else, if our ith character and jth character is equal, then we will just increment our I and decrement our j. Else character are not equal, then we have two options, and we have to take minimum from that, whether we can increment our I or we can decrement our j, and we are deleting one character here. So now let's apply dynamic programming first. uh, Before that, we have to calculate whether the required strings is less than or equal to k, because we have to remove at most k characters, and if this is possible, then we will return 1, else we will return 0. So this is called ternary operator. So now it's time to apply dynamic programming. First, we will create an array, and we will assign its values as n and n. So now if our dp of ij is not null, then we will just return ij. And now it's time to solve, it's time to save the I and jth value on the dp array. So here we have saved the value. So this is called memoization. Now it's time to apply tabulation approach. So in the tabulation, our string is this. Suppose our string is this. So tabulation approach is very interesting. तो इसमें हम, हमारे पास एक स्ट्रिंग दे रखी है और हम एक और स्ट्रिंग को क्रिएट करते हैं str2 को, तो जिसमें हम str1 स्ट्रिंग का रिवर्सल ले लेते हैं बस। तो ऐसे करते हैं, यहाँ पे a दे देते हैं। सो आवर k वैल्यू इज 1 हेयर। नाउ हमको क्या करना है कि s1 और s2 स्ट्रिंग को इक्वल बनाना है। तो हमको बोला गया इसमें हम एटमोस्ट के यूज कर सकते हैं और इसमें भी हम एटमोस्ट के यूज कर सकते हैं। इन टोटल हम 2 क्रॉस के यूज कर सकते हैं एटमोस्ट। ठीक है, तो अब नाउ लेट्स क्रिएट डीपी फॉर टेबुलेशन। सो ए बी सी एंड ए बी सी and one more a. So 0 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4. If I is 0, I is 0 means our s1 string is empty. Then we have to take the jth character and we have to add the jth characters. So if I string is 0, then first we have to add 0 character. Add here we have to add 1 2 3 4. Same as it is if our s2 string is 0, then our s1 string has 1 character, then we will need to add 1 2 3 and 4. So now let's fill this cell. If our character is equal, then we can neglect this character and we will go I minus 1 and j minus 1 position. So we will take this value. If our character is not equal, then whether we can delete this character or we can delete this character, means deleting this character we will take this value, and deleting this character means we will take in this value, and we have to take minimum from that, and after that we have to add plus 1 here also. So plus 1, this character and this character is not equal, so from this cell or this cell we have to take minimum and have to add plus 1 also. So now this character and this character is similar, then we will take this value. So this value, now this character and this character is not equal, then we will take minimum value from that. So 1, and this character is equal, so we will take this value. Now you got the idea. So this character and this character is not equal, then 1, then 2, then this character a and c is not equal, then we have to add 2, then a and b and c is not equal, 1, c and c is equal, 0. Wait a minute, a b c a, then a c b a, because this is s1 string and this is s2 string. So we have to fill again from here only. So this character and this character is not equal, so 1, and character not equal 2, character equal 1, this value, character not equal, so 2, character not equal 2, character equal, then this cell, and character not equal, then from this cell or this cell, 2, and character not equal, so 3, 3, and character not equal 2, character not equal, character not equal, so 3, character equal means 2, so 2. So our resultant is 2, means we have to delete one character from here and one character from here. तो हमको ये बताना था कि इन टोटल में से हमको 2 क्रॉस के कैरेक्टर्स को रिमूव कर सकते हैं अगर वो पॉसिबल है, अगर रिक्वायर्ड हमारा 2 क्रॉस के अंदर आता है, एट मोस्ट 2 क्रॉस के, so our 2 and k is here 1, so 2, so yes this is possible and we will return 0, so yes this is possible. So if we take one string, then our k is 1 and our k is 1, so we can delete any character whether C or whether B, then we can make this string as k palindrome. So now it's time for tabulation code. So we will just comment out this code and we will create a string builder, then we will reverse the string and convert it to string 2. So now we have string 1 and string 2. Now we will have a tabulation function in which we are getting s1 and s2. It's time for creation of dp array. So our string length is 4 and we will create 5 cross 5 array, I and j. So for if I is 0, then just take the jth value. If j is 0, then just take the ith value. So I is 0, j is 0. And if character I minus 1 character, j minus 1 character, means we are going till n. So we have handled our I and j index. Now it's time for I minus 1 and j minus 1. So we are getting the first character now. So just take the I minus 1 and j minus 1 cell value. So if this character is equal, then just take the I minus 1 and j minus 1 cell value. If this character is not equal, then we have two options, whether we can delete I character and we can delete j character, and we have to add plus 1 because we are deleting a character. So now just pass the dp n and n. So if this value required deletion is less than or equal to 2 cross k, then it is possible to make k palindrome, as it is not possible. So यहाँ तक हमारा कोड हो जाता है और इसकी ओवरऑल टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी रहती है n क्रॉस n और स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी भी n क्रॉस n. सो आई होप तुमको कोड समझ में आया होगा. अगर कोई भी डाउट है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में बता देना. थैंक यू ऑल फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.